Hello guys, so in this video I will be teaching you how to do the week 14 Pareto analysis exercise and assignment. I will be doing this in Google Sheets. So after you copy paste the data into a blank Excel sheet, what you want to do first is to rename the sheet into problem statement. Next, you want to add 3 more sheets and name them chart 1, chart 2, and chart 3. So once you're done making all those 3 charts, you want to copy the table and the instructions onto each of those sheets. So after that, we can go to chart 1 and start answering letter A. So it says, chart 1, show the basic chart with the number of defective shirts on the vertical scale and the different categories on the horizontal scale. So what you want to do is to highlight the defect column and the number of shirts column, but make sure you don't include the totals. Next, you click on Insert, then click on Chart, and that's how we get the chart 1. So for chart 2, it says to show the pesos loss on the vertical axis and the charted values go from largest to smallest. So first, what we want to do is to take out the peso sign on these values, since keeping them would cause an error when we try to sort from largest to smallest. Next, what we want to do after taking out all the peso sign is to highlight these 4 columns, defect until pesos loss column, but make sure you don't include the totals row. Next, you want to right click and scroll down to view more cell actions and click on sort range. Next, you check the data has header row, and for the sort by, you click on pesos loss and select Z2A and click on sort. So now your data has been arranged from highest pesos loss to lowest pesos loss. So what we want to do next is to highlight the defect column, hold the control key, and highlight the pesos loss column. Next, you click on Insert and select Chart. So that is how we get the chart 2. Next, let's read the instructions for chart 3, which is a combination of 2 Pareto charts. The scale tracks the number of defects per category with the bar graph, and the right scale tracks the accumulated percent of all defects within the line graph. So first, what you want to do is to arrange the data based on the number of shirts from highest value to lowest value. Since these are already arranged from largest to smallest, we can move on to the next step. So first, you highlight the defect and number of shirts column. Make sure you don't include the totals. Then long press the control key and highlight the cumulative percent column. Then click on Insert and click on Chart. Next, you want to click on the red line in the chart. So after you double click, you scroll down the chart editor and change the axis from left axis to right axis. And that's how you make chart 3. So now we'll have the chart 1, chart 2, and chart 3. So that's all for this video. Bye bye.